The death toll in the fatal road traffic accident involving two cross-border buses that occurred early Saturday morning has risen from 7 to 9. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, so we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. NewZimbabwe.com earlier reported that 7 people had died while an undisclosed number sustained injuries after the buses collided head-on just after the toll gate plaza in Beitbridge. The incident occurred near Chamunanga area, 12 kilometers north of Beitbridge town, along the Beitbridge to Masringo highway. Witnesses said one of the buses hit a donkey and swerved to the oncoming traffic lane, resulting in the tragedy. Zimbabwe Republic Police National Spokesperson Assistant Commissioner Paul Yati confirmed the crash, putting the latest figure of collisions at 9. This is the update about the Beitbridge accident death toll rising to 9. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.